In this video, I'm going to show you how to create reminder in Android phone. Now, there are a couple of ways that we can do this one actually, and I'm going to show you both ways. So the first thing first is you head over to Google Play Store, and from here, you're going to look for any reminder app. So there are a lot of Google Reminder app that you can use, or yeah, any app from here. But if you have on your phone, let's say a notepad, you can actually use that one. So for example, in my case, down below, you have here a to-do list, to-do section. I can just go ahead and click this over here and say, for example, add task here, go to groceries, just like so, or go to the grocery store, and then I can go ahead and click this time right here in order for me to set this reminder. Say for example, I'm gonna set myself to remind me of doing this one, let's say 9:40 tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the OK button right there, and then click the save button, and yep, there you go. So this is going to remind me at that particular time to do that task. I can also go ahead and click that over there and then choose to repeat this one. There you go. I can choose to repeat this, say for example, every single week, and then mark this as important. I can even add a remarks here if I want to. So yep, that's the first option. Another option is you can utilize your calendar. Now I have both a Google Calendar and the native calendar here on my phone, but they function the same thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the calendar right here, and say for example, let's head over to 16. Now the same time here, I'm gonna go ahead and basically click here, or you can also click here, just like so, and then you can go ahead and type here, get some groceries. All right, and then go ahead and choose the date and time as to when you'd like to get this done. For example, I'm gonna click the start right here and choose 9:30 or 9:40, similar to what we had earlier. Click the OK button and then set the end time here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set the end time here as to around 12. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and finish at that particular time, and then hit the OK button. Now you can go ahead and set this reminder to 10 minutes before that particular time, or you can also go ahead and choose between different options here. Now, yep, that is how it's done. Go ahead and click this one in order for you to finish this. But basically, those are just some of the methods that you can do, and that is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.